Hello, I'm Lee from Data Harvest. Today I'm going to show you our current and voltage sensor working with our EasySense 2 software, and the experiment I'm going to show you is a dynamo experiment. It's using the coil just here, so we're going to have a magnet, elastic band, we're going to twist this around, hold it in front, log it, and then we're going to show it on the screen, and you can also see some dampening as it goes from one way to the other and starts to slow down across the screen. Now the voltage sensor we're using today is a 5 volt and 0.1 amp. So there's current and voltage built in, so all in the one sensor, even though I'm only going to use voltage today. We do have another one which is 20 volt and 1 amp. So if you are using more cells or more power, then obviously you can use that one today as well. Now, USB and Bluetooth on all our new wireless sensors. You hold the button down for a couple of seconds. It's now flashing blue on there, which means it's broadcasting Bluetooth. Now the really good thing with our EasySense 2 software is it only picks up Data Harvest devices. So it will not pick up other devices broadcasting Bluetooth within the lab or the school. So we're going to connect this on here. So voltage is this side, so the red into the red. Not that that really matters, I have to admit, which way round. We have that on there, so we're just going to pop that just there. So we now open the EasySense 2 software up. Now it won't connect automatically, you have to tell it which one you've got, because on the front of the sensor there's a small white box which has 6 digits in it. So when we go and click on device on here, it will automatically tell you the sensor you're using. So it says voltage and current and give you 6 digits. They are unique to the sensor you are using, so when you have multiples of these in the classroom you know which one to attach to. So I'll go and connect to my voltage and current. I'm going to start to twist my magnet round on here. So you need to twist that round, well, as much as you want, but the more sometimes the better with this, as long as it doesn't start to coil up too much. As long as we can get 10-15 seconds worth of it, then that'll work a treat. So we don't need the voltage and current, so I'm going to turn current off. I am going to go a little bit faster than the standard on here. At the moment it's a 50 milliseconds, but I'm just going to speed it up to 20 milliseconds and continue to log until I tell it to stop. But about 10-15 seconds is going to be plenty. So I can now click start on here. I can now hold my magnet over here, and as you'll see, it's now shown how a dynamo works. And you're also going to have the dampening there as well. Now we can zoom into this in a minute. So let that log just for a little bit longer. We could have logged even faster if you wanted to, would have been a bit smoother over the top of each one, but this is more than adequate. Actually, there you go, right to the end, and it's pretty much stopped. So we now click stop on there. Now if you go to your local tools on the right hand side, we can zoom into these. So we can zoom in on here. Let's just zoom into a couple of them here. So we go round to here. You can see onto here. So they haven't completely stopped, but we can go to tools, go to values, and we can see at its peak how much voltage it's inducing there, 0.2 of a volt, and then it goes up and down as it goes round. So you can see that as easily as that. Now you can also display this data as a table as well as a graph. So that is rather nice to have, because we can click on here and show this as a table there. And as you scroll down, obviously all the information is there for you as well. Now there's lots of more experiments on our website through our secondary academy. That takes you to our YouTube channel, and we've split it into 3 sections. The first section is how you use the Bluetooth sensor. Second section is how you use the Bluetooth sensor with the appropriate experiments. And the third section is how to use the EasySense 2 software, and there's lots of videos for all of those. So that's at data-harvest.co.uk, and if you'd like more information from us, please contact us at sales@data-harvest.co.uk. Thank you very much.